In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using AI with Durable AE Website Builder. We'll start by getting you into the editor fast. Head to durable.so and click Build a Website. You can sign up with your email or continue with a Google account. There's no credit card required to try it, which makes this perfect for testing ideas. If you have a business email, use it to keep work and personal projects separate. Now let the AI do the heavy lifting. Enter your business type, like virtual assistant, bakery, or cleaning service. You can add a location if you want the content tailored to a city or region, but it's optional. Click Generate Website, and in about 30 to 60 seconds, Durable creates a complete starter site for you. A home page, services, about, and contact page, plus images and copy. Pick the closest business type to your niche. You can fine-tune everything afterward. Next, customize your content. Click Edit to start making the site yours. Select any text to change it, or use Rewrite with AI to refine tone and clarity. Keep headlines concise and benefit focused, and make sure your contact details are accurate. For visuals, click an image to replace it, then upload your own or choose AI generated images. Aim for clear, high resolution photos that reflect your brand, and add descriptive alt text for accessibility and SEO. Let's shape the design. Adjust colors, fonts, buttons, and layout sections to match your brand. Upload your logo and save a brand style so your look stays consistent across pages. Choose a simple color palette, pair a readable body font with a bold heading font, and maintain strong contrast for readability. Want more content? Click Pages to add a blog, FAQ, gallery, pricing, or a contact form. Keep your navigation simple and logical, and use plain, short page names. For forms, ask only for what you truly need to boost completion rates. Durable also includes optional business tools like a lightweight CRM for managing leads, invoicing, and appointment booking. Enable only what supports your current workflow, and run a quick test by submitting a sample lead or appointments to verify notifications. When you're ready, click Publish. You can go live on a free Durable subdomain or connect a custom domain on a paid plan. If you're connecting a domain, have your registrar login handy to update DNS. Your site will go live instantly. Before you share it, preview on your phone. The site is mobile responsive by default, but adjust spacing, image crops, and button sizes to ensure everything is tap-friendly. Finally, visit SEO and settings to set page titles, write clear meta descriptions, add your business info, and on paid plans, connect Google Analytics for insights. With that, your AI-built website is polished, published, and ready.